Hello dear students and welcome to this series of e-learning lectures prepared to enhance your learning of didactics and pedagogy. If you have not been here before, then welcome to this channel. If you do like videos like this, then please do give it thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and also smash the notification bell to receive notifications of when I produce more videos like this. Also, let me know down in the comments what is the biggest problems you are facing right now so I can use your ideas for future videos. If you are opening this video, it is because you are on the right track to continue your studies with success, since these courses have been prepared to actively accompany you in your learning path and ensure that you acquire the needed competencies and skills. So, the essential objective is to give all students a fair chance to become a professional teacher of English. So, what do you know about didactics? The word didactics comes from the Greek language didaskein. It means teaching, and techne suggests art. This compound word means art of teaching. Didactics refers to the principles, phenomena, forms, precepts, and laws of teaching with no subject in particular, according to Stoker, 1964. Didactics is one of the sciences of education. It deals with the processes of teaching and learning. It concentrates mainly on how teachers, learners, and knowledge interact and support one another. Because of this reason, it is a key subject in the teacher education curriculum. Now, look at these definitions. Medina states that didactics is a discipline of pedagogical nature that focuses on the teaching goals and compromise with the aim of better human begins through the understanding and permanent change of the social communicative development and the receiving and appropriate growth of the teaching and learning process. Surrey and White claim that didactics is knowledge-oriented, a science which aims to understand how teaching leads to learning. Gutierrez defines didactics as the science which studies the teaching-learning phenomena as prescriptive aspects of an efficient methodology. Maya states that didactics refers to the science of teaching in relation to aims, subject matter, methods, and frameworks within a specific field. Notice that there is an agreement between these definitions about the fact that didactics is mainly concerned with the teaching-learning process and strives to provide teachers with suitable tools and efficient methods to promote teaching and learning skills. Following these definitions, the term didactics may be reduced to a simpler model. Didactics refers to the science of teaching. So, under this umbrella, many components are related to teaching practices, aims, subject matters, methods, frameworks of teaching and learning. Didactics is a discipline that is essentially concerned with the science of teaching and instruction for any given field of study. It is synonymous with teaching and instruction, and yet, at the same time, a didactic approach involves a very structured and informed approach to teaching. The concern of didactics is related to three main aspects that can be described as follows. What should be taught and learned, the content aspect. How do we teach and learn, the aspects of transmitting and learning. To what purpose or intention should something be taught and learned, aims aspect. Look at this scheme. Any teaching, learning situation must take into consideration these 6 components: the target group, location, content, methodology, teacher, and the goals. That is, who should learn, what, with whom, where, how, and what for. There is a close relationship between these schematized components. We cannot speak, for instance, about the target group who in isolation, without taking into consideration all the didactic aspects needed in any teaching learning situation. Didactics is one of the disciplines in charge of the description of the teaching and learning processes and of the relation of them to different elements in the classroom that impart knowledge or skills. The process of teaching involves the teacher who gives instructions, commands, delivers content, and provides necessary information. The process also involves motivating the students to develop an interest towards the subject and to keep them involved during the different steps of the teaching learning process through constructive interaction between the students and their teachers. Many questions are closely related to didactics. How will the teaching and learning happen? It is very important to conceptualize the ways and methods and to adapt them following the teaching learning situation. What is to be learned? That is, what is the aim behind teaching? Without identifying the aims of the content, the teacher is lost. Why the knowledge is important? Students should be aware of the benefits of acquiring new skills from this content. Who is learning the content? Teachers should be aware of the target students who are taking part in this course, what knowledge they bring to the teaching learning situation, how this will affect what they actually learn, where and when will learning take place. The learning environment is very important. Students may perform certain tasks or exhibit some skills within a specific teaching space. Remember that the amount of time given to students to manage a content is a crucial factor in the success or failure of a given teaching learning situation. To sum up, didactics is a theory of teaching and, in a wider sense, a theory and a practical application of teaching and learning. It serves as a major theory in teacher education and curriculum development. We use the term didactics to describe the science or art of teaching, which covers the whole range of activities, instructional design, teaching models, assessment, practices, human development, and curriculum development.